Hi, Thomas here with a short tutorial here on how to upload your banner to the AdHits network. If you're going to use another network, it will be a similar process, but this is how I do for AdHits. Alright, first of all, you need to register an account with AdHits, and that's done right here. Register, and it's adhits.com, by the way. And of course you'd put in your details here. Just for information, the payment details is just if you are a publisher, but you're not, you are an advertiser. Alright, so you're not going to have to put in any payment details. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Put in a username, password, and just a few details here, and you'll have an account, just like I have right here. Alright. So when you want to publish a network ad, an ad that's going to be shown across the entire AdHits network, thousands of times every day, you start off by going through advertisers, or right here, advertisers, and you choose network targeted. Alright, and then you just fill out this simple, it's like 3 steps. Right here I would put in what I want to call this campaign, and first of all, I usually call it AH for AdHits, right? Pretty straightforward. And then this campaign is going to be called AV Buff 6, because I'm going to use a banner that I have called Aviation Buff. Alright? And number 6 is just because I've had a few of those already. Then I want to choose between text ads and image ads. And since you have a banner, it's going to be an image ad. And also here you can see the different sizes that are possible to use within AdHits. And I choose 728 by 90 pixels because that's the size of my banner. It has to be the same, right? That your banner dimensions are. Alright, so then there's a type of geographic targeting. You can choose to have your ads shown everywhere, or you can limit it to regions. And I'm going to just put a few regions here that I want my ad to be shown in. AdHits does not allow you to advertise just in specific countries, but they do have the regions. Alright, so next step is set the budget. And it can be as low as $2. What I have found is that it's better to have many small campaigns instead of one big one. And what I'm saying there is make a lot of campaigns, like $5, $10, and try to target different people in each campaign, right? Instead of just having one banner that's going to be shown for like 2 months continually make a lot of different banners and target different types of people that you wanna invite into your business. All right. So I'm going to use $10 here, and then the next step is to create your ad. This is where you put in your destination URL. Alright, URL is the website address. So for me it will be letmettakeyouhigher.com. Alright, and this is also, by the way, this is where you'll put in your tracking. If you're not familiar with tracking, what it means is simply that we're going to put an ending to the website URL that allows us to track where our traffic is coming from. We can track from which campaigns we get customers. Alright, so I'm going to put here AH, actually the same that I called my campaign, so AV Buff 6. So it's from AdHits, AH, and it's the Aviation Buff number 6. Alright, you want to put in the website name. Okay, and destination website name, that's just what you're going to call what the website is called, so without all the tracking and stuff. Okay, and then you want to put when the ad is going to start. And of course you can start today. In that case, just leave it alone. Or you might want to put in or make a banner campaign for next week, right? And then you would put in another date. Alright, so when I've done that, now it's time to find my ad. And this is the browse button, by the way. It's in Norwegian, but it's the browse button. and I'm gonna find my banner, which is called Aviation Buff, right there, and upload. And of course you make sure that it's the same dimensions that you chose on the first step. Alright, so here's here's my little banner right here. So you browse it and then you upload it. Okay, and then you punch the next step, and you're gonna either continue shopping if you want to make more banner campaigns, or you're gonna check out with PayPal or AlertPay. Alright, and so if I just click check out with PayPal, it's directed to PayPal, and of course I need to then log in with my PayPal account. Or there's also the option here to pay with a credit card if you don't have the PayPal. So we have several options. Alright, so I basically just log in and pay. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.